Ciao ragazzi, we got some dry porcini mushroom today. So we got some other mushroom from the market. We're gonna make some tagliatelle with wild mushroom today. Let's go. Today's recipe: dry porcini mushroom, fresh shiitake, champignon, garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano, butter, extra virgin olive oil, vino bianco, white wine, Pinot Grigio, fresh parsley, and the pasta that we choose for the day is the fresh fettuccine. Let's start by cooking the mushroom. The porcini are dry, so they need to soak in water. So this is our porcini after a couple of hours. You know, they are soft now. 1 clove of garlic, maybe 2. That would do it. Let's start by cooking this because they need to cook a little bit more than the others. Let's slice the garlic as well. And we're gonna put this inside this with extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna put our porcini mushroom inside. And we're gonna use also the water, this water from the porcini mushroom. Meanwhile, while the porcini mushroom are cooking, we're gonna go and slice the shiitake. Put a little bit of the stem from the parsley. We're about to drop also our shiitake inside. So we're gonna cook this stew first because this stew takes a little longer to cook, while the other mushroom like the champignon only takes 2 seconds. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Remember, use the water. All right, well, we're gonna slice our mushroom. We're gonna chop our parsley. To this one, we're gonna put now the champignon. Once this sauce reduces a little bit, it's time to put our white wine. So put a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Our water is boiling. I'm gonna put the salty water. So what's the difference between fettuccine and tagliatelle? Fettuccine is a little thinner, tagliatelle is a little larger, but also some people say that you say tagliatelle in Bologna, you say fettuccine everywhere else. So it just depends. You know. So we're gonna put out tagliatelle, fettuccine inside. Oh, wonderful. Okay, we're gonna put the fettuccine inside there. Bam! There we go. Because my producer, you know, he wants me to drop the pasta like this. He loves it. He say it looks better when it's in the video for Instagram. You know, you guys, you have to follow us on Instagram, by the way. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. We're gonna put some parsley. You want to recreate that creaminess. Sometimes people say, you put cream inside. No, I didn't put cream. There's no cream inside here. If you do want, you can put cream. That is fine. That's no problem. Actually, pasta with mushroom is fantastic with cream. I'm gonna put some Parmigiano Reggiano inside here. I'm gonna put a little bit more parsley. I'm going to mantecare the whole thing. Like, look how beautiful it is. Okay, look how nice it is. Again, guys, wanna put cream, put a touch of cream, that is fine. Touch of more Parmigiano. Fettuccine wild mushroom. Now we're gonna try this fantastic pasta. So, like I say, very simple. 3 different type of mushroom, olive oil, garlic, cooked in a little bit of white wine as well. Parsley, simple, nothing else inside. Some Parmigiano and a little bit of butter at the end when we finish the pasta. Enjoy. Let's try it now. I hope you make this at home. If you don't have time to make this at home, and if you're in Miami, you can come to Borti Pasta Bar right here at the Miami Shore in Miami. And this is on the menu, okay? Fettuccine wild mushroom. Enjoy.